syllabus we have completed. Okay, so we will again go through the chapters as revision, chapter wise. Okay, so almost there are 5 chapters. Okay, so we'll start with honeysuckle chapter number 1.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Please join, children. Okay, so there is a revision class today. We have read almost our grammar portion thoroughly, and you must be very proficient in grammar. So we will start with chapter 1, homework. So the first question is that, do you like homework? So some will say yes, some will say no. Okay, so those who tell no, for them reason is there. Those who tell yes, for them also reason is there. Okay, so what are the advantages?
Sir,
Yes, tell me.
सर आपने जो अभी लिख रहे हो वो हमें लिखना है क्या?
No need. आप लोग तो you have already written no.
Yes,
You have
sir.
written no. No need to write.
Good
So
morning,
just we
sir.
will. Okay. Good morning. Any new question answer being discussed? You write down. Whichever is old, you don't.
Okay, sir.
Sir, we have
Those
to
who have
write this.
written, no, those who have written, don't write. Those who have not written, you write. Okay. So first of all, you see, we are in school, so every teacher gives homework. Good morning.
Good morning,
So,
sir.
good morning, children. So first of all, we will
Good
do
morning,
some
sir.
discussion on homework. Okay, what is homework? Homework is after a chapter is completed, your teacher is giving some work to be done at home. That is called homework. Okay. So what are the advantages? Advantages means plus. What are the advantages? Good benefits of homework. Let me make it more simple. Why we need homeworks? Who can say one point? Why we should be given homework? Who can tell one
Sir,
point? Yes.
it enriches our mind.
Very good. Very good. It enriches our mind. So you
Sir,
see.
another point is it
Wait.
uses
Wait.
our
Wait. Wait.
lecture time.
Okay, so one point we got. Let the other child tell another point. Why same child will tell always? Any other child, please tell me another point. Why we need homework? Another point I want.
Sir, can I tell?
Very good.
Another
Tell.
Sir, it will grow our mental focus to the studies.
Okay,
Sir,
mental.
it uses our leisure time.
Yes, mental focus on studies. Because no, after going home, we forget what we read at school.
Sir,
So if we
good morning,
yes,
sir.
good
Sir,
morning.
we do well in the exams. Sir,
Yeah,
we do
yeah.
well in the exams.
Very good, very good. We do well in exam. Do well in
Sir,
exam. Yes.
it uses our lecture times.
And all points you don't tell. Give chance to others also. Okay. So we can use our leisure time productively. So 4 points in we got in discussion that when if we are given homework, what advantages we have. Number 1, it enriches our mind. Number 2, it puts our mental focus on studies. Number 3, we do well in exams. Number 4, we use our leisure time productively. Productively means in good way, without wasting. Okay, what are the disadvantages?
It is
From
boring.
other
Sir,
children,
it's boring. Sir.
Sir, it is
It
very
is
much.
boring.
Sir, it is very much for
It is
students.
It's boring draft.
so, yes,
Sir, it is boring also.
boring also. Yes, it is boring. So it is
Sir, it is boring draft.
So your mic is off.
Yes, sir, your
Sir,
mic
we
is
do
on.
not get time to ourselves
Sir, your
study.
mic is off.
Not
Hello,
time.
sir, your mic is off.
Your mic is off. So your
Sir,
mic
it
is off.
spoils our holidays. Sir, your mic is
Yes, sir, your mic is off.
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 Sir, आपका mic off है.
Sir, your mic is off.
Sir, mic is off.
सर एक और भी हो सकता है बोरिंग वाले का. We do not get time to
Mic is off.
self-study.
Sir, your mic is off.
Sir, mic.
okay. Now
Sir,
I
your
can
mic
go
is
ahead.
on. Sir, mic is off.
We does not get any time
Okay,
to for our
okay,
for our self-study.
Yes, Dipjyoti is correct. Okay.
Sir.
Sir, we do not get
Sir, it spoils
I'm
our
waiting for your
holidays.
answer.
for our self-study.
Negative point
Self-study
about
Sir,
homework.
मैंने
because
बोला
there are
सबसे.
LN classes also.
Okay. Tell me, Akshay, you tell me.
Sir,
Tell
it
me.
spoils our holidays.
Louder, please. I am not able to hear.
Sir,
Okay. Otherwise, send in WhatsApp. I am opening it.
Sir, it is.
Okay, okay. I am searching in the WhatsApp. Okay. Yes, Dipjyot, you are correct. Okay, Dipjyot, Kinjal, Anjali. Okay. Okay, tell the answer. Otherwise, anybody will tell one more point. Negative point about homework. Okay, it kills no joy or pleasure.
Sir, it gives us stress.
Okay, we have discussed about
sir,
homework.
it spoils
So
our
homework is
holidays.
negative points and positive points of homework we have written. So homework, both points we discuss. So suppose one short speech on homework you can write in your note. Yes, give your. Okay, shall I rub this? Shall I rub?
Yes,
No,
sir.
sir. No, sir. No, sir.
No, sir. Yes, sir.
Shall I rub this?
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
No noise
Yes,
is coming
sir.
from
You
your
can
side.
rub.
Yes,
Sir, we
it's
have
okay.
already read it.
No, sir.
Hey.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. Yeah. I am accepting means. Okay. Please write down. I am waiting.
Sir, board is not clear. Not clear.
Arey, what is unclear about board? I do not see.
Sir, एक और भी sir, we do
Sir,
not
board
get
is not
time
clear.
to play.
See.
Sir, एक और भी हो सकता है.
All is perfect,
Sir,
sir.
board is not clear.
To play.
Arey, see, board is clear. Who is telling not clear?
Sir,
I
we do
made it
not
clear.
get time.
See, already you have
For
written all
playing.
this. Arey, suno.
Yes,
You have
sir.
written all this. You don't need any detailed study. This is revision. Please note down. I am holding the camera for you. I am
सर
holding like
ये
this.
तो पहले ही आपने लिखा दिया था.
Now, okay.
Okay, sir.
Yes, please write down. Those who are writing, actually, I don't think it should be written because already the chapter we have taught. It is taught already, no need. So you have written also one.
Sir, it is so easy things we can remember it.
Yes, yes. Homework stresses our mind. Very good, very good, very good point. Okay. We do not get time to play. Very good. Vedant is correct. We do not get time to play. Any other points you can write, not only my points. You can have your own points also, you can write. Already we have written, you need not write, I think. Okay. Now, shall I rub?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. Very good.
सर इसका एक और भी तो हो सकता है.
Now you see the story is like that. There was a small boy called Patrick. A boy like you.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. He was a boy who hated homework. So his name was Patrick.
Sir, his
There
name
was
was
a boy
Patrick.
named Patrick who did not like homework. So he played hockey and basketball and Nintendo. Nintendo means a video game. So all that time he was playing and enjoying. He did not like homework. So his
Sir,
teachers told
Nintendo
him.
is a PSP.
What is it?
PSP.
PSP means?
Sir, it is like a video game, portable video game.
Okay, I don't know. Okay, okay. You children must be knowing. I don't know. It is a video game. That's all. So Patrick, do your homework and you won't learn a thing. And it's true. Sometimes he did feel like an ignoramus. Ignoramus means it is
A
told.
ignorant man.
Yes.
A
It is
ignorant
already
man.
in the right side of the book. It is written an ignorant person. But what could he do? He hated homework. So one day, what happened? He found his cat playing with a little doll and he grabbed it away. Grabbed means caught hold of it.
To
To his
hold.
surprise, it was not a doll at all, but a man of the tiniest size. Tiniest means very small. So tiny, tiniest. So we have read about the adjective, no, tiny, tinier, tiniest. So very small size. So Patrick saw that its cat is playing with a very short man of very small size. He had little wool shirt with old-fashioned breeches and a high tall hat, much like a witch's. He yelled, "Save me, save me." Yelled means shouted. Y-E-L-L-E-D.
Shouted.
Yes. So one day, Patrick found that cat is playing with one small man. The man was wearing woolen shirt and
Shirt
breeches.
and breeches.
I will grant you a wish. I promise you that. You know, it is a elf. ELF. Elf, they have magical powers. Elves have magical powers. So whatever they want, they can do. So the elf told Patrick, if you save me from the cat, I will grant you one wish. You please help me. Patrick could not believe how lucky he was. Here was the answer to all his problems. So he said, only if you do all my homework till the end of the semester, that is 35 days, if you do a good enough job, I could give an Ace. Ace means A grade. A grade in all subjects. So earlier, no, marks were not there, grades were there. In semester, no, you get grades. So A1, A2, B1,
Sir,
B2.
today we use also grades.
So there were grades. Now marks are coming. So he told, you help me so that I will get A grade in all the subjects. Okay. The little man's face wrinkled like a disc cloth thrown in a hamper. He kicked his legs and doubled his fist and grimaced, scowled, pursed his lips. So these are the body languages which are shown by the elf to show his annoyance. So how the elf showed his annoyance. How the elf showed his displeasure. Displeasure, there are certain words which indicates that the elf was not happy. What are the words? So, kicked his legs, K-I-C-K-E-D, kicked his legs. Okay, number one, scowled his face. Scowled means grimaced, made faces. Scowled his face. Okay. Then doubled his fists. D-O-B-L-E-D, doubled his fists. So these are the body languages of the elf, which tells that he is not happy with the suggestion. Scowled, pursed his lips. Pursed his lips. So these four expressions shows that this elf was not happy. What are the four expressions? He kicked his legs, he scowled his face, he doubled his fists, he pursed his lips. Okay, so the elf was not happy. Okay, I am cursed, but I will do it. So he told, I am cursed. The opposite of blessing is curse. Curse opposite, well, curse, blessing. Okay, so it is an opposite word. Okay, so he told, I will help, except there was a one glitch. Glitch means it is a problem. There is a problem. What is the problem? You must help me when I want. Glitch means it is a glitch in machinery, means problem in the machine. There is a glitch in the machine means problem in the machine. But there is one problem, you must help me. Who told? Elf told to Patrick. Elf told to Patrick to help. Glitch means,
Glitch means problem.
Yes, here problem. Okay. So, so true to his word, the little elf began to do Patrick's homework, except there was one glitch. The elf did not always know what to do. He needed help. So when the elf needed help, it called Patrick. Patrick, come, help me. Okay. Okay, problem, correct. Divjot is correct. Okay. So, I don't know this word. The elf squeaked while reading Patrick's homework. Get me a dictionary. No. What is even better? Look up the word and sound it out by its letter. So sometimes no, there will be a difficult word. The elf will call out Patrick. Patrick, what is the meaning of this word? You read the word and you tell me how to pronounce and what is its meaning. So indirectly, the elf was getting the work done by Patrick. Then when it came to math, Patrick was out of luck. What are times table? The elf shrieked. We elves never need that. So you know table is there. In the table it is written 2 into 2, 4, 2 into 3, 6. So these tables. Or don't tell each other, Naina, don't disturb. Okay, we elves don't need that. And addition, subtraction and division and fraction. Here sit down beside me. You simply must guide me. The elf told, you must guide me. Without your guidance, I cannot do your homework. Okay. Elves know nothing of human history. To them, it is a mystery. So the little elf, already a shouter, just got louder. Go to the library. I need books, more and more books. And you can help me read them through. So the elf troubled him. How? By telling him to find the meaning of words in dictionary, number 1. Number 2, trying to get more and more books, number 2. Number 3, telling him to read aloud the word and to pronounce it properly. Number 3, or number 4, by telling him to guide. Why voice is not coming? My voice is clear. My boss is head. No. Okay.
Sir, all is clear.
All is clear. No. Very good.
Sir, all is clear.
Okay. Somebody is telling voice is not head. So I was telling you this. So finally, as a matter of fact, every day in every way, the little elf was a nag. Nag means a troublesome person. NAG. Nag means what is you are a nag means suppose you tell your friend you are a nag means you are a troublesome person. NAG nag. A
Sir,
troublesome
first
person.
means
Troublesome person is called a nag. So the elf was a nag for Patrick because it troubled like him like anything.
one who troubles someone all the times by complaining.
Yes, one who always complains is called a nag. Some children complain always. Voice is not clear, board is not clear. So they can be called also nag. No. Okay. So Patrick was working harder than ever. Was it a drag? He was staying up nights and had never felt so very. Very means very tired. Very. Was going to school with his eyes puffed and blurry. Puffed means swollen. SW O
Solemn.
okay. PUFFED.
Sir, Aksha's mic was on.
Okay. Okay, no. So finally the last day of school arrived and the elf was free to go. As for homework, there was no more, so he quietly and slyly slipped out of the back door. Slyly means secretly. Slyly, secretively. So the last day
सर
came.
यहाँ पे सब ना एक दूसरे की कंप्लेन करे जा रहे हैं
अरे बच्चों प्लीज डोंट कंप्लेन अगेंस्ट ईच अदर. दिस इज बैड
और
नेचर.
सबसे ज्यादा फिर आयुष जैन ही बोल रहा है इसका माइक ऑन है पर जबकि उसका रहता है जब भी वो
Those who are
Zoom
disturbing,
join करते हैं।
remove them. Don't attend class.
Sir, first means
See, if you disturb, don't attend class. It is very serious matter. Don't disturb others. Every day I am requesting you. Now I will remove you. Okay. So the day came for result. No, the elf's work was done. So the elf silently and secretly left the room by the back door. Patrick got his A's. His classmates were amazed. Amazed means surprised. Okay. So the result day came. To everybody's surprise, Patrick got A's in all subjects. So A's means A grade. So his classmates were surprised. Now how Patrick got A grade in all the subjects. Amazed means surprised. SURPRI. So the classmates were surprised and his teachers smiled full of praise. They were blaming Patrick. Now they praised. His teachers smiled and were full of praise, and his parents, they wondered what had happened to Patrick. So Patrick changed. Patrick was a changed boy. He got much respect and admiration and appreciation from his parents and friends and teachers. And so he was now the model kid. Model means ideal kid.
example.
Yes. So others should follow him. He was the ideal kid. Everybody told you go and follow Patrick. See,
Ma'am, sir, example.
example for others. He became an example for others. So cleaned his room, did his course, was cheerful, never rude, like he had developed a whole new attitude. Now he is a changed boy. For little thing he was getting angry earlier. Now he is never angry, always cheerful, always positive minded, always hardworking and always happy. So one child who gets angry means he has some problem. If you are free from problem, you will never be angry. So he had developed, you see in the end, Patrick still thought he had made that tiny man do all his homework, but I will share a secret. just between you and me. It was not the help Patrick had done himself. So the author is telling at last, actually it is Patrick who did the homework, but not the elf. So Patrick thought the elf has done, but really it is Patrick himself who did the homework. Okay, now we'll go for revision. This chapter I have told. Any doubt is there? You tell me.
No, sir, no doubt.
No, sir, no doubt.
No, sir, no
Okay.
No, sir, no
No,
doubt.
sir, no doubt. No, sir, no
Okay,
doubt.
now
No,
let us
sir.
do some
No,
revision
sir. No,
questions.
sir, no doubt.
No, sir, no doubt.
Okay. Now I will ask some doubts. You please
No, sir, no doubt.
clear my doubts.
No doubt, sir.
Okay. Sir. No, sir,
Who
no
said
doubt.
Up, sir, 100%. Wow.
to whom? Okay. Okay, 6th day, roll number 1. Who is roll number 1 of 6th day?
Sir, she is absent.
Roll number 2.
Absent.
2 also absent. 3.
Present, sir.
Who is 3? Okay.
Above
Tell
the
me who told? Who told to whom? I need books. Who told? Who told to whom? I need books. Who told to whom? Roll number 3.
Sir, can I tell?
हाँ बताओ बेटा.
Sir, क्या
हाँ,
पूछना है?
no, roll number 3 only. Roll number 3 only. 6th day.
Sir, please, can I tell?
No, wait. Now 6th B roll number 1 कौन है? 6th B 1. Ah, very good. Elf to Patrick, correct. So
Sir,
elf to Patrick, it is correct.
पर sir, Ayan नहीं है roll number first.
Okay. Now roll number 2, 6th B. Who is roll number 2, 6th B?
Sir. Sir, can I
Who is
tell?
roll number 2, 6th B? Okay. Who is this? I am not able to see. Okay. I will. Akshay is there, no? Roll number 2. Akshay, 6th B.
No, sir. 68.
B कौन है? Roll number 2. Roll number 3, 6th B. Nobody is there.
Sir, मैं देख.
अच्छा. Vedant is there. Will you say Vedant? Vedant बताओ.
Can I tell?
No, you can tell. I know. Some children are there who can tell. Dibjot can tell.
Sir, मैं बता.
Dibjot. Those who cannot tell, I have to ask. No. Mala, you tell.
Yes, sir.
Mala Verma, बताओ.
Giving away.
Who told?
Yes,
Do
sir.
your homework or you won't learn a thing. Do your homework.
Sir,
Do
can I
your
tell?
homework
मैं बता
or
रहा हूँ.
you won't learn a thing. Who told to whom?
Do your
Who told to whom? Who
Sir,
told
teacher to Patrick. Teacher to Patrick.
Sir, teacher to
Okay.
Patrick. अब हो तू तेरा
Very
बता रहा
good,
है.
very good. Yes.
सर अब वो तेरे वाले आंसर में बोल रहा है.
Okay. अच्छा, roll number 5, 6th day कौन है? Who is roll number 5 of 6th day?
Sir, I am.
Okay, for you question. Okay,
Yes, sir.
you give me the opposite of like.
Dislike.
Very good, correct. Like, dislike. अच्छा, roll number 5, 6th B. 6th B, roll number 5.
Teacher.
Roll number
सर
6.
अयान है. सर अयान है.
Okay, Ayan, very good. Lost. What is the opposite of lost? What is the opposite of lost? Roll number 6th B, 6th A. Roll number 6. Found. Very good.
Found, sir.
Others are telling.
सर अयान ने चैट बॉक्स में लिखा है, सर अयान ने चैट बॉक्स में लिखा है।
Okay, okay. Now बताओ noisily. Noisily के opposite what will happen? Noisily. What will be the opposite?
Silently.
सर साइलेंटली, सर साइलेंटली,
Very good. Silently is correct.
साइलेंटली,
Very good. Everything. What is opposite?
Something. Something.
Nothing.
Something.
Nothing is correct.
nothing, sir nothing,
Everything.
sir nothing, sir nothing,
You,
sir
very
nothing,
good.
sir nothing, sir nothing,
Nothing. What is the opposite of subtraction?
Addition.
sir addition,
Ah, yes,
sir
yes.
addition,
Okay. Five questions I asked. Now you tell me another. So this
Sir, your mic is off.
sir your mic is off, sir your mic is off,
Sir, your mic is off.
Sir, your mic is off.
sir your mic is off,
Sir, your mic is off. Sir, your mic is off.
Sir, your mic is
and now your mic is off, but no,
Sir, your mic is off.
Sir, your mic is
sir
off.
आपका mic
Sir, your mic
बंद
is off.
sir your
Sir,
mic is
your
off,
mic off.
बंद हो
Sir, your
गया.
mic is off.
एक मिनट कोई एक
आपका
मिनट
mic off
कोई
है.
एक मिनट
Sir, your
सर के
mic
पास
is
आवाज नहीं आ रही,
off.
कोई एक ही बोलो,
मैं बोलती. Sir, your mic is off.
रुको, sir, mic is off.
बोलो कोई. Sir, mic is off. आपका mic is off.
Sir, your mic is off.
Sir, your mic is off. कोई एक जना बोलो, सब मत बोलो.
Sir, your mic is off.
Sir, your
आपके पास आवाज ही नहीं जा रही.
रुको वेदांत तू बोल, वेदांत तू बोल.
सर your mic is off,
हाँ वेदांत तू ही बोल. 2 मिनट यार बोलना तो दो.
रुको वेदांत तू बोल अब.
sir your mic is off,
वेदांत तू बोल.
Sir, your mic is
sir your
off.
mic is off,
Sir, your mic is off.
Mic is off, sir.
Sir, your
Yeah,
mic
your mic
is
is
off.
Chat box.
Sir,
में
your
जो
mic
sir
is off.
Sir has not speaker.
Sir, your mic is off.
Sir, आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही है.
sir your mic
Sir,
is off,
आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही. आपका mic off है. Sir, your mic is off.
Sir,
Sir, your mic is off. 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 Sir, आपका mic बंद है. Sir, your mic is
बंद है.
Yes, sir, your mic is off. Sir, सुनिए नहीं. Sir, your mic is off.
Sir, your mic is off.
Sir, your mic is off. Sir, your mic is off.
Sir, please on करो.
Okay. Now it
Yes,
is on.
sir.
Yes.
Oh, where means who is writing? Please tell the answer. Very tired. Very good. Okay.
Sir, very means crowd work.
Tied.
Very tired. Okay. Now image means you explain the answer. Image. Image. I am Mansuri Sita.
Surprise.
Surprise.
Surprise. Sir, surprise.
Okay.
Surprise.
On this
surprise.
very tired.
Surprise.
Dipjot, you send your answer. Second one.
Sir, surprise.
Surprise. Very good. Okay. And Anuj, both are correct. Image means SQR, SED. Now squeaked means SQEAD. Squeaked means okay. Who is sending the answer? Squeaked means who is sending the answer you send? Squeaked. Please send the answer. Let me see. Squeaked. Who is sending the answer? Very good. Okay, very good. Okay. Okay, your own words you send. To try in still first. Yes, really. Written. Now, CHORES. Who will send course? CHORES. Please send the answer. Course. Household work. Very good.
Household work.
Ishita, Akshay. 3 are correct.
Work.
Sir, household work.
That's all you must say. Hello.
Sir, household work.
Work.
Household work.
DOUBLE means became twice.
Sir, household work.
Double. Yes. Became
Sir, double cut twice. Sir, twice.
twice.
Sir, twice.
What you like is acceptable twice and 2 times. Clear? Now.
Yes, sir.
I will write at home. You write. Okay. Shall I write this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. You can rub, sir.
Yes, sir. You can rub.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You can rub.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You
Yes,
can
sir.
rub.
Okay. The first chapter.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I will do
Yes, sir.
second chapter tomorrow.
Then
Tomorrow
please
is
mute
a
yourself.
holiday. Okay. Tomorrow is a holiday. Day after tomorrow we will do. Okay. So first chapter revision.
Sir, day
is
after
over.
tomorrow is
Now
also
next
holiday
chapter
for
work
Onam.
revision is over.
Sir, day after
Okay,
tomorrow
I can
is a
drop.
holiday for Onam.
Thank you, sir, for teaching.
Sir, tomorrow will be holiday.
Keeping us bye-bye,
Day
sir.
after tomorrow also will be holiday because of Onam. Yes, tomorrow. Yes.
Choose the correct one.
Yes, tomorrow is holiday.
कल हॉलीडे है या फिर कब है हॉलीडे कोई बताएगा मेरे को?
You please choose the correct one. Okay, number 1.
मेरा खुद नहीं पता.
Tomorrow is holiday.
Okay, thank you.
Welcome.
Scissors. And blunt. Second. Many.
Sir, scissor is correct.
Peoples.
Sir, second wali spelling is correct.
Get
The
off.
second is the correct, sir.
Sir, second spelling is
SCISSORS.
correct.
आपने गेटअप के बाद क्या लिखा है?
That.
Get up late.
Furniture. Oblique. Furnitures. It's nice. Okay, you please choose the correct answer. First one. Here, days are blunt. Which is the answer? Scissor or scissors? Who will tell first one?
Scissor, sir. Sir, scissor. Sir, scissor.
Teachers.
second spelling is correct.
Because R is there, no, it is plural. Second one, many people. Get up, let's.
People,
Okay,
sir,
second is
people.
correct.
That's people. That first spelling is correct. Sir, first correct.
Furniture is nice.
Furniture. Sir, furniture. First spelling is correct.
Sir, furniture is correct. That furniture is
Furniture, not far. Okay. Ishita is correct. Furniture. Very good. Okay,
Yes, sir.
children. This
Correct.
revision is over. Justin also correct.
Sir,
We
ma'am.
will,
furniture.
do more revision day after tomorrow.
Sir,
Okay.
first spelling is correct.
Till then,
It is
bye.
furniture,
Okay.
not
Bye, children. We will do another chapter on day after tomorrow. Tomorrow is a holiday.
Teaching
There will be no class. So day after tomorrow. Shruti also correct. Very good.
Sir, yesterday.
Please, those who are writing, please note down. I will add the link.
Done, sir.
Done.
Sir, done.
Thank you, sir, for teaching.
Done with you, sir.
Thank you, sir, for teaching us.
Okay, bye, children.
Thank you, sir, for teaching us.
thank you,
Bye-bye.
sir.